Salutations, Serjavians. It's Kevin, also known as Serjay Svek, and I'm here to show off the cap lifter bottle opener functions of two different Victorinox Swiss Army knives. On the left hand is the Victorinox Bantam 84 millimeters, and it has its combo tool, which is a flathead screwdriver, a combination of can opener and cap lifter with a wire stripper. And on my right hand is the 93 millimeter Pioneer X Alox, and this is its own cap lifter bottle opener, which has a flathead screwdriver and also a wire stripper. Don't mind the boo-boo. And the bottles for today are a couple of bottles of Vitamilk Double Choco Shake. I'm not much of a drinker, but if you do enjoy a good cold one after a long day's work, make sure you drink responsibly. All right, so first up is the regular cap lifter from the Pioneer X Alox. Just let it bite over here, and takes a bit of effort. There we go. So it takes a bit of effort to just cinch this very small point up beneath the cap, but then eventually you'll be able to get it. So let's try the combo tool from the Bantam this time. So it has a much rounder surface here, but it has a bigger hook at the bottom. Much easier, much easier. All right, so that's it. So once again, that was a very quick demo of the cap lifters or bottle openers for both the Victorinox Bantam and the Victorinox Pioneer X Alox. So you can either go for the combo tool or the classic bottle opener. With that out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my drink. So you take care, everybody. Salutations, Serjavians. Chocolatey.